Namaskar everyone, how are you all? I hope you guys are fit and healthy at your place. So today we are going to revise our chapter 5 which is in term 1, okay? Solid, liquids and gases. So in this chapter we are going to learn about solids, liquids and gases, right? So here are the important notes of this chapter. See, water exists in 3 forms: solid, liquid and gas. We all know that water exists in 3 forms. We can see water in 3 forms: solid like ice, liquid water and gas water vapor, right? These are the 3 forms of water. Now see, a thing that takes a definite shape and size is called solid, right? सॉलिड हम किसे बोलेंगे? जिसकी डेफिनेट शेप हो और साइज हो, राइट? वी ऑल नो दैट टेबल इज इन स्क्वायर, राइट? फिर अब दूसरे दिन देखेंगे तो वो राउंड हो जाएगा? नो, दे हैव डेफिनेट शेप एंड साइज, राइट? सो फॉर एग्जांपल पेन, पेंसिल एंड इरेजर, वी कैन सी पेन. आज हमने राउंड पेन परचेज करी, राइट? दूसरे दिन देखेंगे तो स्क्वायर हो जाएगी? नो, दे हैव डेफिनेट शेप एंड साइज, राइट? सो वी कॉल देम सॉलिड. नाउ सी, अ थिंग दैट इज टेक द शेप ऑफ इट्स साइज ऑफ कंटेनर इज कॉल्ड लिक्विड. व्हाट इज लिक्विड? लिक्विड जो है उसे हम कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे? वो क्या करते हैं? दे टेक द शेप ऑफ द कंटेनर. उनकी कोई शेप नहीं होती, राइट? तो वो क्या करते हैं? जिस भी कंटेनर में जाते हैं उनकी साइज शेप वो ऐसे ही बन जाते हैं, राइट? फॉर एग्जांपल मिल्क, वाटर. हम मिल्क है वो किसी भी कंटेनर हम अगर पोट में डालें तो पोट जैसा शेप हो जाएगा, राइट? इफ़ वी पोर इन बोतल, राइट? तो वो बोतल की शेप ले लेंगे. तो क्या होता है? लिक्विड टेक द शेप ऑफ द कंटेनर, राइट? नाउ सी, अ थिंग दैट इज नो शेप, नो साइज ऑफ इट्स ओन इज कॉल्ड गैस. गैस की तो कोई साइज या शेप ही नहीं होता है, राइट? वो एयर में होती है, हवा में होती है, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, see, oxygen, carbon dioxide, many gases are in the air, right? So water vapor, these are the gases. Now see, the process by which a liquid changes into gas on heating is called evaporation. What is evaporation? ऐसी process by which a liquid changes into gas. Liquid change into gas. Liquid जो है वो गैस में change होता है, convert होता है बाई हीटिंग, गर्म होने से. तो उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? वी कॉल इट इवापरेशन, राइट? नाउ सी, द प्रोसेस बाय विच गैस चेंजेस इनटू लिक्विड ऑन कूलिंग इज कॉल्ड कंडेंसेशन. व्हाट इज कंडेंसेशन? वी चेंज गैस इनटू लिक्विड बाय कूलिंग, कूल करके. तो इस प्रोसेस को हम क्या बोलेंगे? वी कॉल्ड इट कंडेंसेशन, राइट? Now see, the 3 forms of water can change form from one to another by heating or cooling. हम इन तीनों जो forms of water है ना, ice, water and gas, इन तीनों को हम by cooling or heating, by melting or freezing, we can change them into अलग अलग forms, right? So here are the important points. Now turn the page number 32. Question number 1, choose the correct option. First one is, in which of these forms does water exist in nature? Water nature में exist करता है, right? But how? In which form? Answers options are: option A solid, option B liquid and option C gas. So, and option D all of these. So we can see water in all these forms, right? So all these are right. So option D is the correct one, all of these. Now see the second one. What comes out when water is heated? When water is heated, what comes out? Option A steam, option B ice, option C water, and option D condensation. So of course it's steam, right? Steam है वो बाहर आती है when we heat water. Now see the third one. Which of the following do not have a shape and size of its own? इसकी कोई size या shape ही नहीं है, तो वो कौन है? Options are option A solids, option B liquids, option C gases, and option D all of these. So solids have their definite shape and size. Liquid take the shape of the container, but gases does not have a shape or a size, right? So take the option C here. See the fourth one. Which of these processes help to change steam into water? स्टीम इंटू वाटर. कौन सी प्रोसेस है जो स्टीम को वाटर में कन्वर्ट करती है? बहुत ही ईजी है. व्हेन इवापरेशन डन, वो स्टीम है वो लीड पे आके क्या करती है? दे मेक वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स, राइट? बाय जब वो ठंडी होती है, कूल होती है ऊपर जाके थोड़ा, तो उस प्रोसेस को हम क्या बोलेंगे? ऑप्शंस आर कंडेंसेशन, बी कूलिंग, C boiling, and option D both B and C. No, it is condensation, right? When evaporation done, steam ऊपर जाती है और फिर वो ठंडा होके water droplets में convert होती है, तो इस process को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Condensation, right? Now see the fifth one. Which of these does air contain? What does air contain? Options are only oxygen, option B water vapor, option C many gases, and option D all of these. So what does air contain? Only oxygen? No. Water vapor? Yes, right? But only water vapor? No. Many gases? Yes, many gases, right? बहुत सारे gases है. Not only oxygen, not only water vapor, there are many gases does air contain, right? Now see the page number 33, fill in the blanks. Question number 2. First one is a blank does not have definite shape and size. इसकी definite shape और size नहीं होती. They take the shape or size of the container. So options are liquid and solid. Yes, of course it's liquid, right? So take the liquid and write down in blank. Second one is a blank can flow. ये है जो फ्लो करते हैं. सो सॉलिड और गैस. हैव यू सीन सॉलिड फ्लो? नो. गैस, राइट? सो टिक द गैस हियर एंड राइट डाउन इन अ ब्लैंक. सी द थर्ड वन. ब्लैंक इज द मिक्सचर ऑफ मैनी गैसेस. ऑप्शंस आर वाटर एंड एयर. वाटर इज मिक्सचर ऑफ गैसेस? नो. राइट ऑप्शन इज एयर. सो टिक द एयर हियर एंड राइट डाउन इन अ ब्लैंक. नाउ सी द फोर्थ वन. Steam to form water. ये कौन सी प्रोसेस है? Steam to form water. Evaporation or condensation? Of course is condensation, right? So write down condensation in this blank. Fifth one. When water is cooled, it change into ice or steam. किस में convert होगा? When water is cooled, change into ice, right? Not into steam. वो cool होता है तो क्या होता है? वो ice बनता है freeze होके, right? Now see the question number 3. Write true or false. True for the T and F. False for the F, right? First one is milk is an example of a liquid. Milk liquid का example है. Yes, this is true. So write down T here. Second one is a gas can fill up all the available spaces. गैस है, अगर हम गैस को कहीं स्पेस में डालते हैं तो वो पूरी स्पेस में फैल जाता है. Yes, this is true, right? So write down T here. Third one. When steam is cooled, it changes into water. Steam is cooled. Steam जब cool होती है तो वो water में convert होती है. Yes, this is true. Right? So write down T here. Fourth one, water can change its form. Yes, it is true. When we freeze water, it converts into solid. When we heat water, it converts into gas, right? So yes, water can change its form. So write down T here. Now turn the page number 34. Question number 4. Give 2 examples for each of the following. We have to write down two examples each. First one, solids, so it's toy and pen. Liquids, milk and juice. Gases, water vapor, oxygen. Process that change the water form one to another. It's melting and freezing. You can write down evaporation and condensation as well, right? You can write down any examples here. Okay, जो भी आपके mind में आते हैं, you can write down any examples. Now see question number 5, short question answer. First question is, name 3 forms in which things exist. We have to write down 3 forms in which things exist. चीज़ें exist करती है. तो answer is, the thing exists in form of solids, liquids and gases. True? 3 forms. Things exist in 3 forms, right? In solids, liquids and gases. Now see the second one. What is evaporation? What is evaporation? Evaporation क्या है? तो answer is the process by which liquid changes into a gas on heating is called evaporation. When we heat the water turn into water vapor, right? By heating. तो उस process को हम क्या बोलेंगे? We call it evaporation, right? Now turn the page number 35. Question number 3, what is condensation? Condensation क्या है? So the process by which gas changes into liquid on cooling is called condensation. When water vapor cools down and turns into water vapor, right? So what does mean? That means gas changes into liquid on cooling. We called it condensation. Right, now see the question number 6. Write long question answer. First one is, write difference between solids and liquids. So we have to write down solids here and liquids here and write down two differences each. Right, so first of all, see solids. Solids have a fixed or definite shape. Right, this is the first difference. Liquids do not have any definite shape. They take the shape of the container. See, this is the first difference between solid and liquid. Now see the second one. Solids do not flow easily. Solids do not flow easily, right? But liquid flow easily. Liquids can flow easily, right? So this is our first question. Now see the second one. What is the difference between melting and freezing? What is the difference between melting and freezing? Melting क्या है और freezing क्या है? Now see, answer is, when solid changes into liquid on heating is called melting. जब solid है वो melt होके यानी पिघल के क्या बनता है? लिक्विड बनता है ना, गर्म करने से या रूम टेम्परेचर से. तो इसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? मेल्टिंग, पिघलना. जैसे आइसक्रीम है वो सॉलिड है, राइट? हम उसे रूम टेम्परेचर पे रख दे तो वो क्या होगा? पिघल जाएगा, राइट? मेल्ट हो जाएगा. इट चेंज इनटू लिक्विड, तो कॉल्ड इट मेल्टिंग, राइट? नाउ सी, while liquid changes into solid on cooling is called freezing. When liquid changes into solid, when we freeze a water, right, it changes into ice. So what ice है उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? What we called ice, it is a form of solid, right? So इसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? Freezing. So difference between melting and freezing are when solid changes into liquid on heating is called melting, and while liquid changes into solid on cooling is called freezing. Right? Now turn the page number 36. Question number 7, match the following. We have to match column A to B and write down answers here. First one, oxygen. So oxygen is a gas, right? So write down C in front of first one. Second one, pencil is an example of solid. So write down A in front of second one. Third one, milk. Milk is an example of liquid. So write down D in front of third one. And ice. Ice form of water. See? So we have to write down B in front of fourth one. Now see. Question number 8. Complete the concept map given below. We have to complete this map here. Changes of forms of water. Change मतलब water के फॉर्म में जो चेंजेस आता है उसके बारे में यहाँ पे क्या है, कंसेप्ट मैप दिया है. दिस इज इन योर होमवर्क. यू हैव टू राइट डाउन बाय योर ओन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट डाउन बाय योर ओन. अगर कहीं मिस्टेक हो रही है, नहीं समझ आ रहा है, तभी आपको यहाँ पे आंसर्स देखने हैं. ओके, so this is in your homework. I hope you guys have understood this chapter. If you guys have any query, you can ask me. Okay, bye everyone, take care, stay healthy.